बच्चों, इस कंटेंट में हम आपको पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम बताएंगे। पिछले वीडियो में आपने ये देखा था कि हम पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से किस प्रकार मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन, मीन एंड वेरिएंस फाइंड आउट किए। अब हम ये देखेंगे कि हम इस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। जनरली प्रॉब्लम इस तरह से दिए जाते हैं, if the mean of the Poisson distribution is 2, it means here lambda is given. Find the probability for r is equal to 1, 2, 3 for from the recurrence relation given e to the power minus 2 is equal to this. यहाँ ये वैल्यू दे दी गई है, इन जनरली दिया नहीं होता है, आपको कैलकुलेटर से निकालना होता है। So how to solve such type of questions? Question is here, given that mean, because of the probability Poisson distribution, mean of the Poisson distribution is given, it means lambda is given. Now mean lambda is equal to 2. So by recurrence relation, just in last video lecture you have learned about the recurrence relation. Recurrence relation PR plus 1 is equal to lambda. Lambda is mean upon R plus 1 PR. So now by putting R is equal to 0, you will get P1 lambda 0 plus 1, it means 1 P0, and P0 is given. So P0 is equal to e to the power minus 2 because of the value of PRB. Previous lecture you have learned this. The value of PRB, P of R is equal to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power r upon factorial r. Now in place of r we will put 0. To find the value of P0 we will put 0, and 0 P0 is equal to e to the power minus 2 to the power 0 upon factorial 0. This is a factorial 0, sorry, this becomes factorial 0. So as we know factorial 0 is 1, 2 to the power 0 be 1. So now P0 be e to the power minus 2. So now P1 is equal to 2 into e to the power minus 2 because of P0 is e to the power minus 2. The value of e to the power minus 2 is given in the question. So 2 into something is equal to P1 is equal to this. So by the same ways, by the same process, we can find the value of P2 by putting r is equal to 1. We will find P2. P2 is equal to lambda upon 2. Lambda upon 2, it means the lambda upon r plus 1. By putting r is equal to 1, we obtain lambda by 2 P1. P1 is in above, P1 is equal to this. So now 2 cancel with 2. So here P2 is equal to this. So by the same process you will get by putting r is equal to 2 you will get this result. By putting r is equal to 3 you will get this result. By the same procedure, this is the use of recurrence relation by which you can find the probability of next stage by using the previous stage. So now the next question, second question be like this, is of this type. The distribution of the number of road accident per day in a city is Poisson with mean is equal to this. It has already been given that the distribution is of Poisson types whose mean is 4. Find the number of days out of 100 days when there will be no accident, at least 2 accident, almost 3 accident, between 2 and 5 accident. No accident, so it means that solution is like this. Here mean is given, which is 4, and number of day is given capital N. Let us take it be capital N is equal to 100. So by Poisson distribution the probability of the Poisson distribution be PR is equal to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power r upon factorial r. Here lambda is given, so now by putting the the value of lambda is equal to 4, we will obtain PR is equal to e to the power minus 4 to the power r upon factorial. Now the first question, our first question is find the number of days out of 100 days when there will be no accident. No accident, it means r for find the probability for r is equal to 0. So P probability of Poisson distribution for r is equal to 0 when there will be no accident. It means by putting r is equal to 0 in equation 1, we will obtain e to the power minus 4, and by calculator you will get this. This is the road accident, no road accident per day. So number of days when there will be no accident for 100 days, so is equal to n into p probability of this. So 100 into this, it means 2 days. 2 days, 100 दिनों में 2 दिन ऐसे आपको मिलेंगे जबकि कोई भी एक्सीडेंट नहीं होगा. सेकेंड पॉइंट इस प्रॉब्लम का है एट लीस्ट 2 एक्सीडेंट. एट लीस्ट 2 एक्सीडेंट मीन्स फॉर r इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन r इक्वल टू 2. ग्रेटर देन r इक्वल टू 2, कम से कम 2 ऐसे दिनों की संख्या बताइए कि जबकि कम से कम 2 एक्सीडेंट हो रहे हों. सो नाउ सिंस हियर n is so large, so we cannot find for r is equal to greater than or equal to 2. So as we know, probability of happens and probability of occurrence p plus probability of non-occurrence q is equal to 1. So now if we will find, in place of this we will find 1 minus this probability of non-occurrence. So now 1 minus p r less than 0 means p for r is equal to 0 and p for r is equal to 1. So p0 plus p1. So p0 is this and p1 be this. By the equation 1 we can find. So in the same way, after calculation, this numbers, now the number of days there will be at least 2 accident is equal to n into this, means 100 into this is equal to 91. Probability for almost 3 accident, almost, the term is here almost, at least, इस तरह के टर्म आपको इस कंटेंट में बार बार आते रहेंगे, इसका ध्यान देंगे आप. ऑलमोस्ट 3, इट मीन्स कम से कम 3 या 3 से कम. सो p is equal to less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3, it means probability for r is equal to 0, probability for r is equal to 1, probability 2 and 3. So by putting from 1 we will obtain this type of result. So this, now the number of days when there will be almost 3 accident is 100 into this. So 43 days. This is the 43 days. And this is the 91 days. Now the last question be fourth be probability for between 2 and 5 accident. So probability for between 2 and 5. So between 2 and 5 there exists r is equal to 3 and r is equal to 4. So by the process we will obtain this. Thus number of days when there will be accident between 2 and 5 be this. So 39 days where the accident will be in between 2 and 5. So in this way we will find, we can solve, by using this process we can solve the problem based on Poisson distribution.